So today I'm going to do a video on the difference between cleaning the vent dry out and maintaining it and maintaining a condenser dryer. They are totally different. So a vented one, after each cycle, clean the filter out and monthly clean down there with the hoover. And also what you want to go and do is, like yearly, take the hose off the back of the dryer and just clean through the pipe and clean the vent hose out as well. There's a condenser dryer. Monthly, you have to take the heat exchange out and put it in the shower. Just by doing these clips here to unlock it, and then pulling it out and clean all the fluff out of them bits there. Just put that back in, lock it back in. A bit fiddly to do. And then that there. And then these two filters as well.